Yo, YouTube, what's up? Back at the shop. Oh yeah. Custom shop, Marf's Customs. Today I'm doing my rear brackets. You can see like it's kind of lower because those brackets are rusted out. I'll show you guys in a minute, but you can see how high up the leaf spring is. It's hitting the bed. So both sides does that. So I'm gonna be doing that today. I got the brackets, two leaf springs, and I got some paint and some undercoating stuff for the frame. So it's gonna be like Chris Fix Part 2. Maybe the better version, who knows. So I'll throw it up in the air and we can see what you can see under there. Alright, she's up in the air. Oh, let's see. Oh, shit. So this is the front one. We're doing. Looking at the frame, shocks. How's this side look? Oh. This side looks like just a surface. So that's good. What's this? Fuck. What's the brake? It's the e-brake cable. Okay, I don't know what the hell is going on here. Let's see if you guys can see that. It's like fucking snapped. Okay, what else? So I'll show you guys what we're doing today, which would be this guy up here. So there's supposed to be a get a better angle. So you guys know how this works. Put up. There's the bracket. The non-existent bracket, and there's the leaf spring through the bed. That one's through the bed. This one is not through the bed, but it's also up there rusted out. What else is there? So I'm gonna do the brackets. What else do we got? Oh, muffler broke off, it looks like. We'll keep that like that, I don't really care. But hopefully this one. Oh, that's just the paint. Alright, should poke that a bit. Okay. Fuck, I might have to change those too. Because if that one goes, I think we're hooped. Even if actually no, it'd probably be the same thing as the back. It'd just go up. But not bad so far. Just looking under here. Water. So there, the gas tank, the fuel gauge doesn't work. I don't know why that would be. But nothing out of the ordinary. Just some rust, which is common. It's a 93 Ranger. So keep that in mind. We talk about rust. So I'm gonna get started on the bracket. Start jacking it up. Holy shit, that was a battle and a half. Ooh. So there it is. Got them all out. I'm gonna sand it down, obviously, so the bracket sits flush, but holy, that was way harder than I thought it was gonna be. So there's a part here, there's shit. Look at all that, it's all rust. Every time I use the air chiseler, fucking rust falls on my head. So there's parts of the bracket everywhere. This is like the only part. So what I was doing was, obviously I had the safety gear on, because you know, safety first. I was using this, I was cutting it a bit, like through the middle, almost like a cross in the rivet. Or I was trying. This one was hard because like this was in the way. But then I would just get this guy in there and it would just take it out. So the first one took forever, then by the time I got to the last one I knew what I was doing. So it took like 10 minutes for the last one. But like this angle hurts my arm. Like I have to go like that, and like my shoulder feels like it's gonna dislocate out of my body. So yeah, I got that one off now. Fuck, this thing's such a joke. Cause look at this, look how It's all the way up there. So when I lift the frame, it goes to like here. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get the shackle on. Like it's, I'm gonna see what content I can get, but I'm guaranteed I'm gonna be choked, so. Does this tire look like it's deflating on me now? Okay, well, we'll try to get this done. See if I can get the new bracket in. Here's an update, guys. So I managed to get the side all figured out. Just right there. Shackle and bracket all on. So this side's good. Actually has a suspension now. So now I'm doing the whole thing again on this side. So I gotta get all, obviously take that off and get the bolt out. And then I'm not replacing these because like I don't fucking care anymore. This is hard enough as is. That'll just make my life miserable. So I'm gonna get that done and then we should be ready to go. Rust on my lips. Oof. Alright. Boom. There we go. So the right side was nuts. That side was rivets. So I'm gonna sand it, just paint this area with that gray primer, rust preventative stuff. I'm not gonna rubber coat it, too lazy. I'll do it another day. I'll just coat the whole thing. Alright guys, there she is, all finished. Got it all tightened down. Yeah, there we go. And that's it. I'm exhausted. And I gotta push this car in. This blue car here. I have to push it in by myself and got it across the street so far. But, oh, it's hard. I rock it back and forth until it goes in. Yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. That one was hard to get content. I just wanted to get it done and it was exhausting and I'm really tired. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.
Rich the producer.